Welcome to another video of SyncBricks. In today's video, we will learn everything about Canva. Canva is one of the most popular designing software or online tool, which will help you to create your own design from thousands of templates, images, and frames available. You can do the real-time collaboration with your friends or your team members. You don't need to have any design experience previously. Go to syncbricks.com, which is my website. Choose the best tool and choose the best designing tool. If you have not yet subscribed to SyncBricks, just subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you get the notification of all the videos that I keep uploading on regular basis. So you can design almost everything using Canva. Now you have two options here, either to log in or sign up on the top right corner. If you have not signed up, you can click on sign up, and you can sign up using your Google email account or your Facebook ID, or you can use any other email address. So I'll be signing up with the Google. So I'll be using it for my personal purpose. I will not be choosing it right now. I'll click on maybe later because I need to start using the software. Now you can see the interface here. Logo design, poster design, Instagram post, video, presentation, whiteboard, or with a blank poster. Introduction to whiteboard, and these are all if you want to learn how to use Canva. Here you can see I can search anything. For example, if there is a template, I can choose for example book. So anything related to book I'll be able to see here. So you can see here, and if I create my own design, I can create a design. On top right corner you can see create design. I can choose the purpose for which I'm making a design. For example, if I'm making a Facebook post, so I'll choose Facebook. It will show me Facebook post. So let me see, I don't want to create from existing available templates. I just want to create a design, and its custom size will be 1000 pixels into 1000 pixels. Blank design right now, nothing is available here. I can use this either as video or I can use this as a standard image. In this canvas, I can choose existing designs which are available here. So in case I want to create a design, so I can choose it, for example, this particular poster, and then I can make the changes here. Otherwise, I can simply select this all and delete. So all this is deleted now. I can choose my own design from here. So this canvas, you can just hide this span here. So this panel you can bring this panel back again. Here you can either choose from the templates, you can choose the element, you can upload any image or file that you already have, and then you can click on text, you can add the text, and there are some more designs as well. From here, if you see here on top left corner, you will see the colors. So you can choose the color here from the palette, or you can put the hex code for the color from here. I'll hide this pan here. If you see here in bottom you can put your notes here. You can add the notes, the purpose for which you have created this design. Choose the pages from here. You can add multiple pages here. So you can see all these pages are here. I'll just remove it for the time being. You can zoom in and zoom out to focus on a specific area. So we will start with template. I have already shown you. If you want to use any existing template, you can even choose the template from here. For example, as I mentioned, book. Some of the templates are available for pro users and some of them are available for free users, where the pro is not mentioned, that you can use for free. If you use pro, then you will have to buy the subscription. Otherwise, free is for free. So you can, for example, choose this particular template, make the changes. For example, if you have birthday card, so if you want to create a birthday card for someone, you can use that as well. But I will show you how to start everything from scratch instead of using the predefined templates. I'll create a YouTube thumbnail, so it's better. So I'll use thumbnail. So you see here YouTube thumbnail. Again, I can choose a template from here. Either I can use from here or I can create my own template. I want to put an element here. You can see lines and shapes. So these are all lines and shapes available to me. And these are the colors that I can choose. here I will choose, for example, this. I can upload my image also here. So once you choose upload file, suppose here is the image which I have uploaded, so I'll be using this. So here is Canva logo. I can remove this and I can put a background image also here in case if you want to use any specific background image. Suppose this is the background image, because you can see this is on top and everything else is in the bottom. So if you press Ctrl and the bracket sign, so you can see here this has been moved here. Otherwise, in order to move the layers up and down, so you can right click, this is the layer, you can see send to back or bring to front. So depending upon where you want to keep it, for example this one, you see here image is behind this logo, so I can bring to front, so it will come to front. So this is the way you can move your layers. Now if I want to add the text, for example, I will be adding the text tutorial. You can choose the color from here. Good thing here is that the matching color with your logo will be automatically fetched, or you can use your own color. So font face can be changed here, and usually you are using sometime the elements in the background, so I can choose that as well. See all, for example this. Instead of logo, I'll be using the text. You can add anything you want. Suppose I want to upload a logo. Now of course logo is not visible here clearly. I can add the element here and use the half circle for this purpose. So I can maybe use like this and change the color. For example, if I want to put this particular image inside an image frame, so I'll be choosing from here. Let us go here to the frames. I'll choose all the frames and look for the frame that you like, and I'll move this image into this. You can see here. So depending upon your image type or depending upon your requirement, you can do you can choose the graphics. Existing photos are also available. For example, child, if you search child photo, so you can use it, various photos, existing photos from here. So which is royalty free photos, you can make use of them. In case I want to remove this from here and I want to use this photo, this is dark and background is also dark, so you can even reduce the transparency like this. And I'll be using this particular logo on top of this. Maybe if you go back to home page, this particular design has automatically saved. So if I click this, it will show the thumbnail here as well, but if I click this, I can open this. So depending upon where you want to use this, as I need to use this as a YouTube thumbnail, so I'll be just clicking on share and then download this as a PNG format, download. So this particular image will be downloaded on my desktop, and here is the image which has been stored here. And you can even share this particular with design with your family or friend or your team members, so that they can collaborate with you. So you can do one part of the design and they can do another. And in case you want to duplicate this, I can duplicate this also. And in case I want to make changes, suppose in this particular design I want to use the photo like this, so you can have multiple pages, and then once you export it into JPG, so multiple files will be stored in the zip format. Or if you want to in case convert this into video, so I'll just show you here. I'll animate this, so it will automatically choose various templates from here for the animation. So in case I want to use this, so 5 seconds is default, so you can change it, for example 3 seconds, so it will animate quickly. You can see here within 3 seconds it has appeared. So this is also one of the ways you can animate your design on Canva. And if you share it it will be downloaded as MP4 file, or you can choose it as the standard JPG depending upon how you want to use it, whether you want to convert this to GIF. So you can do this into GIF format also, MP4 format also, but if you want to have the plain image, you can use JPG or PNG. So this was all about Canva. A lot is there to cover, maybe in next videos. See you in next video. Take care and goodbye.